Okay, before takeoff, check is complete. Normal takeoff, throttles full, manifold pressure 43. AM 2575, rotate at 85, positive rate Europe, and accelerate to 95.
Hudson traffic is Comanche 7845 Papa, turning final for 26.
And Hudson traffic, Navajo 27299 are holding short for the landing traffic.
New Hudson traffic, 733 Kilo Victor, departing the area to the north, New Hudson.
Hudson traffic, Navajo 27299ers line up and wait on runway 26, New Hudson.
New Hudson traffic, Comanche 7845 Papa, clear the access, taxiing to the hangars, New Hudson.
Okay, bring the turbos up.
Oh, I like that airplane taking off.
Thank you, Terry. It's Jeff. Okay, turbos are up. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Airspeed's alive. 60, 70, 80, 85. Rotate. Positive rate. You're up.
South traffic, Cessna 1522 Victor is crosswind for 18 Meadow.
Hudson traffic, Sky Canal reservation for whiskey, departing runway 26 to the south. Hudson traffic.
Departing runway 18 and remaining.
Okay, 500 feet, 3824. Nothing traffic, Navajo 27299ers turning left crosswind for 26, Nelson.
South traffic, Cessna 1522 Victor, downwind for 18 Meadow.
Nothing traffic, Navajo 27299 turning left downwind for 26. Nelson, and we'll be departing the downwind leg to the northeast. Nothing traffic.
Meditol traffic, Cessna 20 Zulu, left downwind, 18 Meditol.
800 feet target altitude, closing cowl flaps.
Victor is base for 18 Meditol.
Sky Canal reservation for whiskey, departing to the south. Hudson traffic.
Final for 18 Meditol.
IFR departures, ground 121.904, clearance and advise you have Romeo. Pontiac Tower, this information, Romeo, 1953 Zulu, automated weather observation. Wind 22010, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 0, dew point -6. Altimeter 3000. Localizer back course, runway 27 left approach in use. Line of depart, runway 27 left and 27 right. IFR departures, ground 121.904, clearance and advise. You have Romeo.
Cessna 20 Zulu. Pontiac Tower, 733 Kilo Victor, about 5 miles out to the west.
Skyhawk 3 Kilo Victor, enter a left down for runway 27 left, I'll call your base.
Enter a left downwind 27 left, you'll call my base. 3 Kilo Victor. And send my Kilo 2 for 27 left.
Cessna 7 Mike Kilo, change to runway 27 right, clear to land, wind 250 at 11.
All right, clear land on the right side, 7 Mike Kilo.
Pontiac Tower, Navajo 272, 99ers 10 miles southwest with Romeo full stop, Gulf Road.
Navajo 27299 Pontiac Tower, radar service is unavailable, traffic advisories are unavailable. How far from southwest of the field are you?
Currently 10 miles southwest.
Navajo 299 report to 5 miles southwest of the field. Expect a left downwind for runway 27 left, heavier across to the right side.
Okay, we'll report 5 miles for 27 left, and you'll have us cross over to the north side.
Bonanza 42 Romeo, Ernest.
Bonanza 42 Romeo, report a 2 mile final for change to runway 27 right.
Okay, yeah, change to 27 right, 42 Romeo. Pontiac Tower, Cirrus 2 Charlie Delta, holding short 27 left, southwest bound.
Okay.
Cirrus 632 Charlie Delta, Pontiac Tower, hold short runway.
Okay, cruise checklist. Fuel is going to stay on the inboards.
Fly straight out, I'll call your turn to the southwest, runway 27 left.
Power is set. All flaps are closed, and mixture has been leaned out. For our descent. Mixture minimum 1350 on the EGT. Fuel selectors are on the inboards. Power is set. Oxygen is off.
Victor,
And
runway
heat off.
27 left, clear to land. Safe parking.
Gulf Row for 733 Kilo Victor, clear 27 left.
Skyhawk 3 Kilo Victor, expect a right turn off.
Right turn off, yep. 3 Kilo Victor.
And Tower, Navajo 27299 are 5 miles out.
Aircraft 2 miles out, say again.
It's Navajo 27299 and we're 5 out.
Bonanza 42 Romeo, runway 27 right, clear to land, traffic on a left downwind of base, assessment for the parallel.
42 Romeo, negative contact.
Navajo 299, report south of the tower on a left downwind, traffic, Cirrus departing straight out, eventually southwest bound.
Okay, we're going to report on the downwind for 299, looking for the traffic outbound.
Cirrus 2 Charlie Delta, traffic inbound from the southwest of Navajo, entering the downwind.
Looking for traffic, 2 Charlie Delta. Traffic inside 2 Charlie Delta.
Cirrus 2 Charlie Delta, reference at Navajo, on course to southwest is approved.
2 Charlie Delta.
Navajo 299er, the Cirrus has you in sight.
Yeah, we got the traffic on the upwind for 999.
Pontiac Tower, Mooney 5732, Quebec 8 to the north, inbound Romeo.
Okay, gas is on its fullest tanks and it's on the inboards. Fuel pumps are on.
Quebec, Pontiac Tower, report 2 north of the field, entering a right downwind for runway 27 right.
Okay, we'll call you 2 north for the right downwind, 27 right, 32 Quebec.
And Navajo 299er is south of the tower, Pontiac.
Navajo 299er, change to runway 27 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 27 right for 299er. Okay,
First Romeo, turn right.
First notch of flaps, 15 coming in.
Okay, 42 Romeo.
Bringing back just a touch more power.
Tower, hotel, holding short, 27 right remaining.
At 128 gear speed, gears coming down.
Tower, make right traffic, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
So takeoff 27 right, 89 hotel.
3 green, 1 in the mirror.
Archer right now, tell them my instructions, fly straight out, I'll call your turn on the pattern.
Straight out, would like extended
upwind if work order permitting for you.
Cessna 3 Kilo Victor, turn right at Juliet, hold short, runway 27 right, remain my frequency.
Exit on Juliet, hold short, 27 right, 3 Kilo Victor.
Archer 89 Hotel, advise prior to turning into the downwind.
I'll let you know when we're turning down.
And gas is on fullest tank and boost pump is on. Inboards are good. Here is down and locked. Mixture is good. Power good.
Running tower, Cessna 75874, holding short of 27.
Okay, final approach course is clear. And turning final.
Cessna 3 Kilo Victor, cross runway 27 right, contact ground point on her.
3 Kilo Victor, crossing 27 right, contact ground 27.
Cessna 75874, Pontiac Tower, cross runway 27 right, hold short runway 27 left at hotel.
Cross 27 right, hold short of 27 left at hotel for 874.
Series 2 Charlie Delta, advise leaving the class Delta surface area.
And 2 Solid Delta's clear of the Delta.
Series 2 Charlie Delta, frequency change approved, good day.
See ya.
Okay, speed is good. And we are on glide.
Cessna 874, make left traffic, runway 27 left at hotel, cleared for takeoff, wind 240 at 14.
Left traffic 27 left for 874, clear for takeoff.
Okay, on glide, speed's good. Landing is assured, third final flap coming in.
2 Quebec's forward to the north.
3 green over the fence.
Mooney 32 Quebeking, angle for right base, runway 27 right, at, report to mile northeast field.
Going a mile northeast from right base, 27 right, 32 Quebec.
Okay, ground effect. And we are on the ground.
Pontiac Tower, helicopter 141 Delta Charlie at Magnum Ramp, would like to depart to Romeo.
Helicopter 141 Delta Charlie, Pontiac Tower. Departure from Magnum Ramp will be at your own risk. Use caution, remain north of taxiway Delta. Would you like a west or eastbound departure?
Westbound departure.
Helicopter 1 Delta Charlie, a westbound departure is approved, and then turn to the north. I'll call you turn to the northeast.
1 Delta Charlie will remain north of taxiway Delta.
Navajo 299, contact ground point on her.
Over to ground, 299. Pontiac ground, Navajo 27299ers off at Kilo for Golf Row.
Navajo 27299 Pontiac ground, taxi via Delta.
Okay, Delta Golf Row for 299er. Okay, after landing, all flaps are open. Okay, wing flaps coming up. Emergency backup pumps coming off. Heaters off. Top controls are full forward. Mixture is leaned out for the taxi.